Okay guys, we're gonna do a quick visual condition report, and the entire build sheet on this car is on our website. There's roughly $15,000 in work done to this, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I have scanned this entire side of the car and the back bumper, wheels, mirrors, everything, looking for any imperfections. This side is absolutely flawless. I didn't see a single rock chip, scuff, scratch, or anything like that. These wheels look phenomenal with the carbon lip. Absolutely perfect. Full front clip PPF, as well as the side mirrors and this little rocker here on the edge. Car's ceramic coated. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. This car has never been driven in the rain, always garaged. The owner definitely took care of this, and it really shows. Carbon spoiler. Exhaust looks amazing. Absolutely perfect. This side of the car is absolutely perfect as well. The front end is super clean. I mean, there's really not much to pick apart on this thing. Like I said, full front clip PPF. The only thing that does not include is the carbon grille surround here. That carbon down there has PPF on it, and the full front clip here, hood, fenders, all of that. As far as curb rash goes, that is all absolutely perfect, even on the underside, except this tiny little spot right here. And I'm not even sure if it got through to the bumper, but you can see the PPF is frayed a little bit. The underside though, all the way around, is absolutely perfect. As far as rock chips go, there's nothing that stands out to me. There could be one or two, but like I said, it just doesn't look like there is any. Very, very clean. Wheels look amazing. The carbon lip on this is wicked. Checking out the interior, it's a non-smoker and it still smells brand new in here. That door panel is absolutely perfect. Kick plate area is super clean. I'm not seeing any wear on these bolsters whatsoever. Seats all look brand new. Steering wheel looks good. I don't see any scuffs anywhere, and it has a nice matte finish to it. All the buttons look perfect. All the carbon looks good. I'm not seeing any scuffs or scratches that stand out. Looking at the back left door panel, absolutely perfect, as well as these seats. I don't see any flaws anywhere. It looks like no one ever sat back here. This door panel looks absolutely perfect. Kick plate area is clean. Carpets look great. I'm not seeing any wear on these seats whatsoever. This thing is essentially brand new. Very, very clean. This panel looks perfect. Kick plate area is clean. And these seats look absolutely perfect. The trunk looks amazing. See any issues. Okay, we're gonna go for a quick drive. Car sounds amazing, shifts super smooth.